Hi, welcome to Mark's Basement Arcade. Today I'm going to introduce you to an intermittent switch problem I've been having on Victory. The switch will work, it doesn't work, I clean it, I gap it, it works, it doesn't work. I'm going to show you how to fix it the easiest way I do, but it's called a spinner. That means you got your two contacts that are in a leaf. One is tight on the other leaf, and on the other leaf it's loose and it spins. I'm going to need my cool glasses to show you this, but I'm going to try to get it as best as possible. We are right here. Be very hard for you to see. I'm trying to get you in tight. Right. Let's lift this up. We will put you a manual focus. Man, this is going to be so hard to do. One, I can't see worth the crap. And two, I can't tell if I'm getting this in good focus or not. But anyways, this is the contact I'm talking about. It is called a spinner. Let me put it right in the middle. I think that's good. So I'm going to show you what a spinner is. The easiest way to find them is with a Dremel tool. It's going to be hard to show no matter what. Get the Dremel tool in there like you're going to clean it. And yeah, it's going to be impossible to show you guys this. I'm going to try to mark it on one side. Just to make it more visible. Let's get more light on it. I hope that works. I hope you can see that. It's spinning around in circles. So what we're going to do, get my soldering iron back over here. I'm going to solder that down. Of course I put solder I get solder to stick in the wrong spot. There we go. There, it's rude and crude of what I did right there. But however, let me get this junk out of my way now. You can see I soldered that contact down. Now we shouldn't have any more intermittent switches. So I'm going to move you back, put this back together, and we will see if we have any more switch issues. Alright, here was my switch issue. This was my switch issue. The pop bumper would go off, but we would never get points for it, so... Checkpoint 1. Yeah!
Get out of my way!
I could probably turn it down a little bit too. There it is, the volume pause on this thing right here. And that's it. That was fixing a spinner on a Gottlieb Victory. Gottlieb games are, I believe, the worst for spinners. I've fixed more spinners on Gottlieb games than I've fixed on any other game. I'm just getting this game ready for league night. It's been down for a while, the driver board. It had an issue with 2 lights, but it looked like it was burned up really bad at one time. And I was sending out other boards to get professionally fixed. So I figured I'd send this board out. And this board actually right here, to fix it properly and make it 100% reliable, cost more than getting 7 other boards gone through, which was crazy. So yeah, well, it's worth it. The game, like I said, 2 big, I don't know, they're funny shaped metal things. There's 3 of them on that board, and 2 of them look like they just almost burned a hole through the board. But it was working because somebody had, you know, just patched it up really badly. But it was working, but I had it professionally completely done, and my 2 lights, or 3 lights that I had that were sticking on, that would never turn off, I had them fixed. The game worked, you know, when you hit them you would get your scoring and everything, but the lights just would always stay on. So it was kind of annoying, like, did I hit that light or did I not hit that light or that switch? So, but like I said, it was I think it was N and finish, they would stay on. But if you hit the switch, you would get points for it. So if you got F, I, S, H, they would be all not lit, or I forget whatever Gottlieb does. Anyways, the ends always stayed on or off. On. I can't remember. Anyways, it's fixed now. Now they're blinking and doing what they should be doing. That was my main concern. And I had, I think, another light that was stuck on, but it was the N. And I think it was, I forgot, maybe one of these was stuck on over there. No, it looks like I got an extra ball light stuck. That's not lighting. Hopefully it's just one of those track mode things that don't light. Yeah, I got another bulb out. That's what I've been doing this whole time. Fixing bad sockets and fixing switch issues. But there'll be some cool stuff along the bottom here. Give me a thumbs up. Please like, share, subscribe, and take care, and later. Blah, blah.